Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a school website with WordPress and Elementor website builder. Okay, we have started designing our home page. So let's see what we have done so far. Just simple home page. Yeah, and next section is meet the teachers. Okay, for this, let's go to edit this home page. Okay, and duplicate this section. Okay, and remove the background color. Okay, white color, that's fine. So since the heading meet the teacher, blah blah blah, and delete this inner sections, then insert pause. Pause multi slider widget and choose teachers. Okay, pause content, remove this taxonomy, author, that, comments. Okay, and setting style to style 3. Okay, that's good. Advanced, let's add padding about 40 at the top. Okay, that's it with the teaser. And next section is why choose us. Okay, this is same with this section. Copy this, paste it here. Okay, why choose us, why choose us. Okay, bring the image to the right, this column bring to the right side, change the image. Oh, this not the one. Wow, we should look for a portrait. I have not so far. Okay, leave this. And here, okay, establish in 2021, establish year, yeah, qualified teacher, blah blah blah. Change the icon, so school, since 1993. Search. Certified. Qualified teacher, qualified teachers, individual tailored, leave this in default. Individual tailored or student oriented, something like this. Transportation access. Yeah, transportation. Oh, sorry. Here should be bus, and here transportation. Okay. Actually, yeah, it would be nice if this title typography is a little smaller. Let's try 20, 25. Okay, and let's change this color from here. Okay, okay, now we have it. Copy this, paste style. Okay, same here, make this title. You can also paste style here and change the icon color back. Like this, and copy this, paste style. Okay, that's better. Here, make this smaller to paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style. Okay, and same goes for this description. We can make it smaller, about 16. Okay, copy this, paste style, paste style, paste style. Yeah, typography 16. Copy this, paste style. Okay, and send this marks, scales, blob. Okay. Now white sources is done, and then upcoming events. Upcoming events. Copy this, paste it here. Upcoming events. Insert a new new column. Okay, drop it here, setting, post query. Okay, style 3, style 1, and content, set descending here, which is the here events, and post content, open link to new window, blah blah, post per page to. Okay, what I want to is limit the number of posts display. Here is the setting, response. Oh yeah, columns per row, only 2. Okay, like this. Yeah, that's what I'm looking about. Okay, here events and vertical align top. Here in the description, make it remove this padding, make it align left. Same goes here, make it align left. Events, and here there seems to be some margin. Remove this. Okay, events. Okay, then our gallery, then next, and let's insert, copy this, paste it, delete this, and testimonial slider, scenario carousel. Okay, scenario, let's use scenario carousel. Okay, this much simpler here. It is simpler. Here testimonials, and change this color setting, name by company color. Here change to here this. Okay, and same goes here. Navigation, Control B, sorry, copy this. Okay. Okay, now it looks fine. Yep. Testimonials. Here you can also add in this content, you can also add news. Then you can in here, so you can say news and events. Okay. Chooses media teacher, Wordpress Learning Academy, blah blah blah. Okay, this is a simple WordPress school website. Yeah, there is not much customization in the style. We are just changing the color, size, typography. Yeah, most of what we are doing with here with Elementor is changing color and arranging layout, and yeah, and typography adjustment. So in sum of layout, typography and color, that's all what we are doing here. That's it, we are done with the home page, and we can use this sections, these pre-designed sections, to design other pages of the website. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and yeah, contact me through anyway if you have any video requests, or yeah, anything you want to communicate. I am here for you. And yeah, for those comments, except for during the night here in Indian standard time, in other times I will reply to you as soon as possible, within few minutes to half an hour. Yeah, I'm looking forward to communicate with you. Once again, thanks for watching this video.